Your daily coffee break has a surprising secret origin. This ordinary ritual profoundly shapes your workday. But have you ever questioned its true beginnings? It's more than just a quick caffeine fix. This break actually started as a strategic experiment. It aimed to boost worker productivity and morale. Prepare to transform how you view your next cup. For centuries, work was an uninterrupted, grueling grind. Long hours were common. Breaks were often scarce. Workers ate lunch quickly, often at their workstations. There was no designated time for mental rest. Productivity suffered from constant, relentless labor. Needed a early 20th revolutionary change. Century factories demanded peak performance. Needed a early 20th revolutionary change. The modern coffee break truly began in America. A company named Barbasol often gets early credit. In 1915, they offered workers coffee twice daily. This simple act aimed to reduce employee fatigue. Soon, other progressive companies adopted similar practices. World War II significantly accelerated this trend.
Factories needed maximum output from tired war workers. Government-backed initiatives promoted short, refreshing pauses.
The Pan American Coffee Bureau championed the idea.
Their 1950s Give Yourself a Coffee Break campaign launched.
It featured iconic advertisements across the nation. These ads linked coffee with energy and camaraderie. They depicted happy workers enjoying their brief respite. The campaign successfully embedded coffee breaks nationally. It became an expected, even celebrated daily occurrence. Unions also began negotiating for official break times.
Today, the coffee break is a global phenomenon.
It's a vital part of workplace culture everywhere. From bustling Tokyo to serene European offices, this short pause enhances focus and creativity. It fosters informal social connections among colleagues. Many innovative companies still prioritize these moments. They understand its profound impact on well-being. It prevents burnout and boosts overall efficiency. Your quick break truly makes you more effective. From a simple idea, a powerful ritual emerged. The coffee break transformed how we work forever. It's a testament to valuing human well-being.
Next time, savor this ordinary moment.
Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of everyday wonders.